Hi, my name's Steve Sullivan, Training Supervisor with Rittal Corporation. I've been at Rittal over 20 years. And in that time, I have a lot of people that ask me, what are the unique benefits of a modular enclosure versus a welded box or a non-modular enclosure? So I'd like to spend some time sharing with you the unique benefits of the Rittal TS8 freestanding modular cabinet. Some of the benefits and who this applies to, people want to know whether you're an end user or panel shop, pretty much have the same kind of concerns. And these concerns are really efficiency in the design, flexibility, can I do more with what I have, quality, and then certainly safety. If things are easier to work with, then I'm saving money on what I'm doing in my panel shop. On the efficiency side, anytime that you can introduce a toolless feature, or if things are done quicker than maybe a competitor's product, this is saving me time and money, and this is something I'm interested in, lowering my bottom line. The unique frame structure of the TS8 affords us two mounting levels inside, an inner level and an outer level. This 15% difference is a place where we can mount accessories. Customers understand the value of being able to get more gear in the same footprint on the floor. If they're using a welded enclosure, they only mount on the mounting panel and the door. In this space, we're able to put cable management and cable routing, lights, even climate control accessories to maximize the amount of gear going into the same enclosure space. One of the biggest concerns that our customers have is grounding of electrical enclosures. One unique benefit of the TS8 is right off the factory floor, the standard TS, all the external panels are grounded back to the frame. This eliminates the need and the time and labor for running ground straps in the field. The other benefit to this is in EMI RFI environments, electromagnetic and radio frequency environments. This cabinet adds an additional layer of protection, further reducing those interferences for a ratio of 1:10. Another benefit of a truly modular design is the ability to interchange panels, including the door. The ability to remove the door easily, safely, is a one-person job with the TS8. With many other designs that are in the field today, you can't even do this task. Whether your customer wants it right-hand hinged or left-hand hinged, this is a simple one-person job from Rittal. You simply remove the door, the hinge pins stay captive to the hinge body, switch out the hardware across the frame. The hinges and the catches are actually stamped with an R and an L. So if I'm working on the right-hand side, the R is legible. If I'm working on the left-hand side, the L is legible. This reduces use costs and time of working with the product. To rehang the door, simply mount it up to the frame, close the hinge pins, close the enclosure, and then we're not going to let our logo to remain upside down. We can take this off, put it back on the top, or in the cases we've done thousands of times for other OEMs, they like to see their own logo there. Flexibility. When you have a modular design, especially with the TS8, it allows us to create unique designs interconnecting the cabinet side to side, front to back, even stacking top to bottom. If you look at a 4 or 5 door, maybe a 6 door cabinet from the competitors, that's as large as they can go, and those things weigh 3,000 pounds. If you look at a comparable design from TS8, you're only looking at 1,100 pounds. So again, there's safety, ease of working with the product, and then how much business are you not getting because you cannot do unique designs. Customers routinely come to Rittal to solve unique wiring challenges. Customization doesn't need to be increased cost and lead time. With a modular cabinet, just switching out panels, even applying turnkey solutions, make this job easy and quick, reducing use costs. Whether you're bringing cables in through the top, through the bottom, or even into the sides to separate power and signal cables, high voltage, low voltage, this is very easily done with the Rittal TS8. If the facility doesn't have metal cutting tools, then these modular plates are an easy way to adapt this new application. Bang cabinets together, whether we're joining them, bang them together, again, we can create some very unique shapes that many competitors cannot. And this just allows us to get business and move this cabinet into places that are very unique situations. With over 100 different versions of the standard TS8, you can get them in carbon steel, stainless, indoor, outdoor solutions. This allows us to sell this TS8 platform into industries like oil and gas, material handling and packaging, and then offshore, as well as food and beverage. Throughout all these years, one thing that remains constant is the quality and the engineering that goes into Rittal products, whether it's the TS8 frame or climate control or the accessories. People understand the value in something that is well engineered and what it does for them. So I spoke earlier about this benefit of a closed channel frame and the strength, but then how do you paint inside of something like that? We paint exactly like the automotive industry and the appliances are painted. So after the nano coating process, then we primer. So this is a dip coat process and 100,000 gallons of paint. It leaves the primer bath, goes into an oven, then goes in to get powder coated. So you have a very durable, rugged finish. Nobody else in our industry has that same three-step process in the enclosure market. Our testing labs in Herborn, Germany are UL certified and are regularly inspected. We put the enclosures through very rigorous testing so that they meet all the global certifications and approvals that are necessary for our product to be sold globally. Nobody else has this global certification, service, and spare parts program. Safety's huge. If people get injured, you risk downtime. And if you have a system that's lighter, that's easier to use, that's built properly, this is already safe. And again, this is just going to save you injury from people that work with the cabinets on the floor and reduce any kind of downtime. So in the end, we're just talking about the TS8 modular freestanding cabinet, the flagship design from Rittal. When you can increase efficiency, increase flexibility, unsurpassed quality and safety, these are benefits that matter to everybody and help reduce the bottom line in your shop.